the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like.
And today on Octave, we're going to be doing how to extract values from a matrix in Octave. So first of all, to begin, we need to create a matrix. So we're going to call our matrix A, and then we're going to create a matrix. Let's create a 4x4 matrix. How you can, depending what your matrix is, of course. And I'll just create a random 4x4 with random values, and then there it is. So if we needed to extract this value right here, so this value, as you can see, it's in the second row and the third column. So how we do this is that we call our matrix A, open round brackets, and then if it's in the second row, the digit before the comma is the row. So it's in our second row, comma, and then the number of row which is it's in our third row. And then we call our third row, Yes, and you see it has extracted that. And then you can really go and do cool things with this. So if you click the up button, and then it's going to take out what you previously wrote, and then now you can extract the whole column. So if you put a semicolon in the space for the rows, and you choose or you type down whichever column that you want to extract, let's extract this column. That's how you do it. And then likewise, if you want to extract a whole row, you choose whichever row you want to extract, let's say the fourth one, and then you put a semicolon for the rows. And then extract the fourth row. And yes, that's the end of our video. It's a very short one. And don't forget to like, comment, for improvements, for suggestions, and for anything else that you want me to upload, and also subscribe. Thank you.